Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create AI avatars, AI streaming and live streaming avatars in just a few simple steps. Today we'll be reviewing a wonderful tool called Akool.com. The link is available in the video description. So let's dive right in. First, click on the description link and create an account here. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you access to multiple amazing features. Right at the top, you'll see some of its favorite tools like Streaming Avatar, where you can create real-time avatar chats via voice, text, or even your camera. Next, there's the Avatar Video feature, which allows you to create full videos without needing a camera, just your avatar. Then we have the Video Translation feature, where you can translate videos. And below all that, there are even more tools and a section for community templates, which lets you try out ready-made templates. Just select your favorite one and you're good to go. But in today's video, we're mainly focusing on the AI streaming avatar feature, how you can create a real-time avatar, and you'll see an interface like this. Here you can start a conversation very easily. There are several options on this screen. First, there's the camera feature. You can turn your camera on by clicking the camera button. Then we have the avatar feature. You can choose your favorite avatar from a wide collection. There are hundreds of avatars to pick from. After that, you can select a language. There are multiple languages available, including Japanese, Korean, Italian, English, Hindi, and more. I'll choose English for this demo. Next, you can select a voice. All gives you the option to pick between male and female voices. Just choose your favorite.
All our knowledge has its origins in our perceptions.
The greatest way to live with honor in this world is to be what we pretend to be.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Once you've previewed and selected the voice you like, hit the Submit Select button to apply it. Now let's talk about how it actually works. Simply click on the Let's Chat button. You'll see a prompt box. Just write your question or message there, and the avatar will automatically respond. For example, if I write, "What is social media marketing?" the avatar will give a complete answer. You can also customize more settings like poses. There are several pose options to choose from, such as waving left, nodding, pumping fists, and more. Once you've selected your desired pose, hit the Generate button. And just like that, the avatar will respond and act it out.
Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to promote products or services. It involves creating and sharing content, engaging with audiences, and analyzing results to improve marketing strategies. This approach helps businesses connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales.
It's super simple. Let's try another example. I'll ask the avatar to introduce yourself as an AI avatar.
Hello, I'm your AI avatar, here to assist you with information and answer your questions. I'm designed to provide helpful insights and engage with you in a friendly manner. Let's explore together.
And it will instantly start the introduction in the form of a talking avatar. If you want to turn your camera on while chatting, just click on the camera icon. It's that easy. You can also click on the knowledge base button to add your own knowledge base. Very useful if you want the avatar to talk about your brand or content. You can even share it on other platforms. That's The power of the streaming avatar feature. Next, there's the avatar video option. You can use this to create a full talking avatar video. Just click on it, and you'll see multiple ready-made templates. Select your favorite one, or if you prefer, you can upload your own files like PDFs or build a video from scratch. Once you've chosen your template, you'll be taken to the editing canvas. Here you can fully customize everything. Change the template, pick a different avatar, edit the dialogue, and even change the voice. You can also add extra elements like text, media, stickers, or another avatar. Once everything is set, just hit the generate button and it will start creating your video. After it's done, you'll be able to see the result right away.
Welcome to our Cooperate training program. This weekly report marks our collaborative journey. The fresh green background symbolizes growth. Together, we'll bridge individual strengths. Let's begin this productive learning experience.
So that's how you can easily create AI avatars, streaming avatars, and live avatars using a .com. The link is available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.